Hello guys and welcome to another video. This time we are going to be talking about circuit. We were using circuits in the classroom because we are learning about the 5 forms of energy. And one of the forms of energy is electricity. So we were using a circuit to demonstrate how electricity works. And do you guys remember how is the name of that? What is the name of that very tiny particle that can flow in the current in the electric current? Yes, that's it. It's electrons. Electrons are a very tiny particles, right? That they flow in the electric currents. That's why we call it electricity, because the electricity is made of electrons. The definition of a circuit is a path along which electric charges can flow. Remember, another word for flow is move. So the electric charges can move in that path. First of all, in order to have a circuit, we need a source of energy. In this case, we have the battery. The battery is the one that is going to produce the electricity. We need more than 2 wires, right? Because we need a path in which electricity is going to be flowing. And in this case, we have a light bulb, right? But in the classroom, we use a light bulb and we use a small engine that was producing mechanical energy and mechanical and sound energy. Okay, so we were talking about 2 different types of circuit. This one is called a closed circuit or a complete circuit because all the parts of the circuit are connected. So in this way, the energy can flow and we can produce something else with the electricity. In this case, the circuit is producing light. But remember that everything that produces light can produce heat. So we have a circuit that is producing light and heat. And because all the parts are together, the circuit is working, we call this circuit a closed or complete circuit. So this is a picture with another example of a closed or complete circuit. In this case, our circuit has something that we call a switch. The purpose of the switch is to control the flow of energy. If we close the circuit, the energy can flow in the circuit. That's why it's called a closed or a complete circuit. But in this case, we have a circuit that the wires are not connected. So we call it open or incomplete circuit because the energy cannot flow in this circuit, right? It is open, not all the parts are together, so it's called an incomplete circuit. In this picture, we have another example of an open or incomplete circuit, right? We have the source of energy, that is the battery. We have the light bulb, but the energy cannot flow in this circuit because the wires are not connected to the battery. Okay, so as we talk in the classroom, this picture is not accurate. Why? Because the light bulb is on. In real life, the light bulb cannot be on because the energy cannot flow in this circuit. Why? It's an open or incomplete circuit because the wires are not connected to the battery. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you some pictures of different circuit and you have to answer if that circuit is an open, closed, incomplete, or a complete circuit. So in this case, do we have an open circuit or a closed circuit? Very good, it's an open circuit. Why? Because the wires here are not connected, so the electricity cannot flow. In the next one, is an open circuit or a closed circuit? Think about it. Very good, it's a closed circuit. The energy can flow in this circuit because all the parts are connected together, so the energy can flow. The battery is going to produce electricity. The energy can flow, so the light bulbs are going to turn on. And the next one, this time, is this a complete circuit or an incomplete circuit? Think about it. Analyze all the different parts of this picture. So is complete or incomplete circuit? Very good, it's an incomplete circuit because here in the diagram of the switch is open. So the energy cannot flow, right? So that's why it's called an incomplete circuit. The energy cannot flow. We talk as well about another type of circuit, a series circuit. We call this circuit a series circuit because it only has one path in which the electricity is gonna flow. Only one path in which the electricity is going to flow, right? So, but what happened, guys, if I cut the wire just right here? How many light bulbs are going to remain on? 0 light bulbs. Very good. Why? Because we are creating an open circuit. Not all the parts are together, so the energy cannot flow in this circuit. So think about it. No matter in which part of the circuit, I can cut the wires here. I can cut the wires here. That doesn't matter. The energy is not going to flow. As the same way as if I have this circuit and I take out one of the light bulbs, the other light bulbs are not going to work because I'm opening the circuit. Okay? The other type of circuit is a parallel circuit. The difference between a series circuit and a parallel circuit is, in a series circuit, we only have one path in which the electricity is going to flow. But in the parallel circuit, we have more than one path in which the electricity is going to flow, right? In a series circuit, is I take out one of the light bulbs or one of the light bulbs burns out, the entire circuit is not going to work. But in the parallel circuit is the opposite. If I take out one of the light bulbs or one of the light bulbs burns out, the circuit is going to still working because the electricity has another path in which the electricity can flow. So that is the advantage of a series circuit and a parallel circuit. Okay guys, so in this case I want to show you this example of a series circuit. Obviously we have the light bulb, we have the wires, we have the batteries, we have 2 batteries actually. But there is something wrong in this circuit. In this circuit the energy cannot flow. Why? Because, well, the wires are connected. Apparently everything is working good. But no, not everything is working good. If you notice, the batteries here are connected with the negative pole and the negative pole. So in order to make it work, we need to have the positive, negative, with the positive and then the negative batteries connected. So this one, you have to flip up this one in order to make the circuit work. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video, and remember, everything that works with electricity works with a circuit. Your computer works with circuits, the printer works with circuit, your TV, every electric appliance works with circuit. The light bulbs, the electricity in our houses work with a circuit. That's why we can turn on and off the switch to control the flow of electricity. Okay guys, I hope that you really enjoyed this video. So see you next time, okay? Bye-bye.